everyone, I'm Emily and I'm here at the Ogden Nature Center, and today I'm bringing you guys Nests, Nooks, and Storybooks, and we're going to be reading Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? Written by Rita Gray and pictures by Kennard Pack, and it is going to be posted with permission from Houghton Mifflin Harcourt Publishing. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Coo-coo, coo-coo. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Cuck-cuck, cuck-cuck, cuck. Starling sings from a metal pole. Whistly, wee tree. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin, nesting up there. Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Chee-dick, chee-dick. Swallow slides from under a shingle. Ha-ha, chit-chit-chit, ha-ha, twitter-twit. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw-caw, caw-caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer, 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 birdie, birdie, birdie. Chickadee is an acrobat. Chickadee-dee-dee. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue Jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Jay, 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 Jay. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. Eulay, eulay. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Tapping, tracking. Something made a little sound. Breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around. Ruffling, shuffling. The bird flew off with something blue. Cheeping, beeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here. And that was Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? And while the Ogden Nature Center is currently closed, you can go on walks and see what kind of birds you can hear out in nature on your own. Bye!